I've just finished a wrong side row and I have my working yarn here ready to start a right side row. The next step in the pattern is to work an I-cord into these 2 stitches right here. So I'm going to show you how to set up for that. The first step is to add a 3rd stitch for the I-cord. So the way to do that is to add a yarn over at the beginning of the row. So I'm going to take the tip of my right hand needle and I'm just going to put it behind that working yarn just like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and knit into the next 2 stitches. So now I have 3 stitches on my needle. Those are the stitches for my I-cord. So I'm going to slip them all back to the left hand needle purlwise, like this. All 3 of those stitches are on the left hand needle, and the working yarn is coming out from that 3rd one. I'm going to pull the working yarn around and knit into the 1st stitch, like this. 1, and then the 2nd stitch, 2, and then the 3rd stitch, 3. And I'm just going to continue on repeating those steps until I have as many rows as specified for my I-cord. Once I've finished my I-cord, I move it back to the left-hand needle, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut the yarn, leaving at least a 6-inch or 15 centimeter tail.